Hey everyone, it's Dale here. Welcome to this video where I'll show you the best volume profile levels to trade this week. We'll take a look at the euro dollar, Australian dollar, US dollar, and also at the British pound. So let's get to it. What you see before you, this is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and view up indicators, and this is a 30-minute chart of the euro dollar. There was quite a strong trend here on Friday, and I want to trade this. I want to participate on this trade, on this trend. And what I do is I use the volume profile like this to look at how volumes were distributed in that trend, and I want to trade from heavy volume zones. There's a heavy volume zone standing out in here. This is quite an important one. As you can see, those volumes are quite heavy here. And it represents a place where buyers were active, adding to the long positions as they were pushing the price up. Alright, so that's what I want to trade. I want to trade from that. So I'm waiting for a pullback, and I will want to go long from there. That level here is at 1.1792. So that's the volume profile set up here. But there's also more. If I zoom out a bit, then you can see that the price was bouncing around this area in the past as well. Not exactly to the level, but around this area. And that means that in the past, this area worked as a resistance, which when the price blew past that resistance, turned into a support. Alright, so this is a thing that adds strength to our level here. You can also notice that we have a fair value gap here, little fair value gap in here, also little fair value gap in here. When they are so close to each other like this, then I look at it as if this was one big fair value gap. Alright, and our level is at the beginning of that fair value gap, which also adds strength to it. Okay, so that's for the euro. Let's now take a look at the Australian dollar, US dollar. So this is the Australian dollar, US dollar. In here we also have a strong trend, and the idea of trading this will be very similar as the idea of trading the euro that I showed you before. If you look into the trend area, then you can see that there are those two heavy volume zones standing out, and those are the zones that I'll want to trade. So my first support level is at 0.6842. The second support is at 0.6805. So ideal scenario is pullback to the first support, reaction, and then pull back to the second one and reaction. Okay, those heavy volume zones, they represent places where buyers were adding to their long positions, and when the price reaches those places again, those buyers should become active again and push the price upwards from there again, right? So that's for the Australian dollar, US dollar. Let's now check out the British pound. The British pound is also rather similar. We have a strong uptrend, and within this uptrend, we have a couple of heavy volume zones. We have this one and this one. So those are the heavy volume zones that I want to trade, and the logic is the same as on the Australian dollar or on the euro. Just wait for the pullback to that heavy volume zone, go long from there. The first long is at 1.3607. The second heavy volume zone begins here, and the support is at 1.3531. So ideally, we'll see a first pullback in here and a reaction, then another pullback to the second level and reaction. This is how I plan to trade this. I have a limit orders there, so I won't miss those trades. I'll simply wait until those levels get hit and then trade them with those limits. Okay, so that's about that. That's the plan. If you guys want to learn more about volume profile trading And if you guys want my custom-made volume profile and other indicators, then you want to head over to my website. It is at traderdale.com, and if you click trading course and tools in here, then you can check out my trading education and indicator packs. There's the volume profile pack, order flow pack, VWAP pack, and smart money pack. If you scroll down a bit, you can get all those packs together in one combo. It includes all the packs for a discounted price. Now, before I wrap the video up, I'd like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The prize of the contest were my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators for TradingView platform, and right now on your screen you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner, and what I'll do next is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate in this contest is leave a comment below this video, which I'll publish on YouTube, and next week I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of custom-made indicators. So that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!